The ancient seers spoke of Brahma Muhurta, those precious moments before dawn when universal energy flows most abundantly. In this sacred time, passed down through generations of spiritual practitioners, lies the secret to profound energetic transformation. What I'm about to share isn't another trendy morning routine. These are 5 sacred practices preserved in ancient texts that have quietly transformed lives for thousands of years. While the modern world rushes to start each day with emails and obligations, these time-tested rituals offer something far more powerful, a way to align with the cosmic forces that govern our vital energy. As we explore these practices together, you'll discover why the early morning hours hold such extraordinary potential for spiritual awakening. Habit 1. Breath of gratitude, the silent prayer of existence. Before the world's demands intrude, before your feet touch the ground, there is breath, a primordial connection to life itself. This is no ordinary breath. It is a breath of profound gratitude, a silent, intimate conversation with the universal consciousness. Close your eyes. Place your hand on your heart. Feel its rhythm, its profound resilience. This heart has been your faithful companion through decades of experiences, carrying you through joys, sorrows, triumphs, and challenges. Breathe deeply and whisper silent thanks. Honor your body's unwavering service. Celebrate your spirit's incredible resilience. Express gratitude for another day of miraculous existence. In this singular breath, you are acknowledging the intricate miracle of your journey. Each breath becomes a prayer, each moment a sacred blessing. You are not just breathing, you are participating in the cosmic dance of life. Habit 2. Gentle movement, honoring the temple of your spirit. Your body is not merely a physical vessel. It is a sacred temple, a divine instrument of consciousness. Gentle movement transcends physical exercise. It is a profound dialogue between body, mind, and spirit. Movement is a language of healing, a conversation with the deepest layers of your cellular memory. Each gesture is a prayer, each stretch a meditation, each gentle motion a release of stored energies and emotional imprints. Gentle movement is about connection, listening to the wisdom stored in your muscles, joints, and cellular memory. Imagine yourself as a flower unfolding in the morning sun. Stretch with reverence. Move with compassionate love. Listen to your body's subtle, nuanced language. Some mornings, this might be a gentle neck roll. Other mornings, a carefully practiced yoga pose. Always move with deep compassion, with profound respect for your body's intricate journey. Habit 3. Meditation, the inner sanctuary of infinite consciousness. Meditation is a profound journey into the depths of your being, a sacred technology of consciousness that transcends the limitations of physical perception. It is not about forcibly emptying your mind, but about creating spaciousness, cultivating a sanctuary for peace, healing, and divine wisdom to emerge naturally. The art of meditation is an ancient practice of remembering who you truly are beyond the transient narratives of ego and circumstance. In this sacred space, you are not defined by age, by past experiences, or by societal expectations. You are pure awareness, witnessing the magnificent dance of existence. Find a comfortable position. Let your breath become an anchor, a gentle tide connecting you to the present moment. When thoughts arise, like waves upon the infinite ocean of consciousness, acknowledge them without judgment. Observe them as passing clouds in the vast, boundless sky of your awareness. understand deeply, you are not your thoughts. You are the eternal, boundless awareness witnessing those transient mental formations, the unchanging presence behind the ever-shifting landscape of mind. Habit 4. Journaling. Conversations with your soul's narrative. Your life is a profound, multi-layered story, a sacred text waiting to be explored, understood, and honored. Journaling is not about creating a perfect manuscript, but about building a bridge between your external experiences and your rich internal landscape. Each page is a portal of self-discovery, each word a key to unlocking deeper understanding. Your written reflections are not merely memories, but active conversations with your highest self, a dialogue between your human experience and your infinite spiritual essence. Each morning, write, not for literary perfection, but for soul connection. Capture the whispers of your dreams, record moments of deep gratitude, pose questions to the universal intelligence. Listen for the subtle guidance of your inner wisdom. Some mornings, 3 lines will emerge. Other mornings, pages will flow like a river of consciousness. Trust the process. Trust your story. Your words are seeds of transformation, planted in the fertile ground of your evolving consciousness. Habit 5. Sacred nourishment, feeding body and spirit. Simultaneously, nourishment is a holistic act of love, a sacred communion with life itself. Beyond physical sustenance, it is an intentional practice of connecting with the energy that animates all existence. Your morning ritual of consumption is a profound act of self-love, a celebration of life force moving through you. Each sip, each bite is an opportunity to infuse your being with intention, healing, and divine energy. Craft a morning drink that feels like a ritual. Herbal tea infused with intentional healing. Warm water kissed by fresh lemon. A smoothie blended with mindful, loving awareness. As you sip, visualize this liquid as a carrier of healing energy, illuminating every cell of your being with divine light. You are not just consuming a drink. You are participating in a sacred exchange of energy with the universe. These habits are not about adding complexity to your life. They are about subtraction, gently stripping away what no longer serves your highest self. They are about remembering your true essence, a spiritual being experiencing a human journey. Some mornings, you might embrace all these practices. Some mornings, perhaps just one. And that is perfectly, beautifully acceptable. Spiritual growth is not about rigid perfection. It is about presence. It is about love. Your energy is not confined or defined by chronological age. It is determined by your connection to the divine, your openness to wonder, your capacity for love. Every morning is an opportunity to realign, to remember, to renew. May your mornings be sacred. May your spirit be light. May your journey be blessed. Embrace the magic of your becoming.